Hey everyone, this is Dr. Nishta Jain and today we'll be seeing about Excel in brief. So what is Excel? First of all, Excel is nothing but a powerful spreadsheet program, right? But now what is a spreadsheet? And that's more important to understand, isn't it? So spreadsheet is an electronic document that contains data in the form of rows and columns. Simple enough? Yes. So now, you know what? Spreadsheet is more commonly known by the name Excel. So it's not actually Excel, it's a spreadsheet, but it is more commonly known by the name Excel. Just like we say, sellotape hai kya? But actually it's not a sellotape, it's a transparent tape. It can be of any company, but it is known by the company's name, sellotape. Right? Anyway, so Excel can work on different operating systems like Windows, Mac, Android, and many more operating systems, right? So in this video series, we'll be learning about the various different features present in Excel, like the different formulas, functions, charts, tables, graphs, pivot tables, pivot charts, then graphical representation of data for better analysis, the autofill feature, the Power Query editor, and many more interesting features. So you know what? Excel actually comes up with various different versions. So there were earlier versions like Excel 2007, 2010, 2013, 2016, 2019, and now there is the latest version of Excel, that is Excel 2021. Yes, this version has even more interesting features. You will love it when you use it, right? So you know what? Excel is actually a power-packed program which comes up with many benefits, like it requires minimal training. There is huge storage of data which is possible because of Excel. Then data visualization and presentation is easily possible in Excel. Then you can also perform complex calculations because of the different inbuilt formulas and functions. Then transforming and cleaning data is also possible. The data which is messy and illegible, very difficult to understand, that can be easily transformed and cleaned because of the Power Query in Excel. And other than these, there are even more interesting features, more engaging features which will actually make you learn it in a very fun way, an interesting way, and interactive way. You will actually love it when you use Excel, when you have learned how to use Excel. So guys, I'll meet you now in the next lecture. So stay tuned for more educational videos on Excel. So see you soon. Bye and take care.